So if you look at our Jeep, she's all stripped down and ready. So it just, in my mind, it needed to be gold. So we went to O'Reilly's, we picked up a can of gold. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is another new day here. We're here again with this 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and it is a beautiful Jeep. In the last video, we did install that huge 4-inch lift kit from Rough Country. Got it all lifted up off the ground. It really turned out amazing. So we can't stop there. So we got a couple more things we're going to line up and do today. So what we need to do today is we need to get these stock fender flares off and the stock fender liners out. So we have to take these clips off, and then there's just a boatload of plastic clips behind these things. So that's what we're going to do. We got some new fender flares, piled up in one of these 25 boxes I got all over here. We got new fender flares and new fender liners. So that's what we want to do today. We want to get set up and see if we can get some of this stuff out, get the fender liners out, the fender flares off, and get the new ones installed. So let's hop to it, get something done. Well, we made quick work of that. That was easy enough. So we just popped the clips off, just a bunch of clips, a couple of bolts, and everything comes right off. So they were right off. They just flopped right off. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just do the reverse on the other side and go ahead and get all them off. And just like that, all 4 fender flares are off and fender liners are off and all piled up here in the floor. I mean, you can't give these things away, man. Nobody wants them, so I guess I'll haul them to the dump. I would give them away to somebody if they wanted them, but nobody does. You see them all over the place. So if you look at our Jeep, she's all stripped down and ready. So we're fixing to get these new fender liners out. We're gonna check them out. We're gonna get the fender flares out. We're gonna check them out. So why don't we go ahead and get these new fender liners out and see what they look like. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get them out, see what they look like. Alrighty, man, that went really, really good, really, really quick. Got the fender liners all put together. If you notice, I took the inserts out, I scuffed them up, put a little primer on them, and I painted them gold because I really think that's gonna look a lot better than silver. So it just, you know, in my mind, it needed to be gold. So we went to O'Reilly's, we picked up a can of gold paint, we got it painted gold. So that's probably gonna, you know, catch you guys tomorrow when I try to get them installed and maybe get the Fender Flares installed with them. Don't know, but we're gonna give it a shot. Man, check it out. How good it looks. Sweet, sweet. Looking really good, looking really good. Looking good. Man, I really do like the way that looks. I think it's looking amazing. So let's flip this sucker around and get the other side done. And we'll have this fender flare and fender liner job behind us. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, boy, that looks amazing, phenomenal. I love the way the fender flares look. I love the way the fender liners look. I mean, it is beautiful. It's perfect. Just the look that we were after. Man, I'm so excited. I know that y'all think it looks really good too. I love these Jeeps. I love the way it's coming together. It is absolutely beautiful and amazing. These are just some inexpensive fender flares and fender liners that we picked up off of Amazon, and we'll link it down below just if you want to check them out. You know, they weren't very expensive at all, and it just really accents this Jeep. Can't wait to keep it going. I just can't wait. It is a beautiful Jeep. You know, it is lovely. So that's probably going to be a wrap for today's video. We'll catch you guys here next time. So be sure you turn those post notifications on. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.